Want to change the headers on your emails? I'm Poch from Intention Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. We're going to start here from the dashboard. From here, you're going to want to locate the marketing menu. From the marketing menu, click on email configuration. Now, on email configuration, just need to scroll down and you'll notice that you will see the default header for all your emails. So this could be the current header that you have on there when you send out those email blasts or email campaigns. Now, if you want to change this, all you have to do is click on this button, click to edit, and you can actually put in anything you'd like here. You can make it, you can put words, you can put text, you can put an image. So once you've done that, once you've made the header that you'd like, just click on update and you're done. If you want to see more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your in-store or online sales quickly, visit our website at intentionallycreative.com.